Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the forest. Your journey begins with a plane crash, leaving you stranded on a mysterious island. Your first crucial steps involve scavenging the crash site for essential supplies like medicine, candy bars, and sodas. Quickly find a source of fresh water and gather berries to stave off hunger. Building a simple temporary shelter is vital before night descends, offering a safe spot to save your game and sleep. Crafting is at the heart of survival in the forest. You will need to combine various items found in the environment to create essential tools. For instance, 2 sticks and 1 rock can make a basic axe, crucial for gathering wood. Establish a secure base, perhaps a log cabin, and fortify it with defensive walls. This provides a safe haven from the island's dangerous inhabitants, allowing you to store resources and plan your next moves. The island is vast and full of secrets, inviting you to explore its dense forests and dark caves. These caves often hold valuable resources, advanced weapons, and clues to the island's mysteries. However, they are also home to dangerous cannibals and terrifying mutants. Always be prepared for combat, using your crafted weapons like spears or bows. Employ stealth to sneak past enemies, or strategically engage them when necessary to secure your path. As you progress, focus on advanced survival techniques. Efficiently manage your inventory, ensuring you always have enough food, water, and crafting components. Construct more complex structures, such as tree houses for elevated defense or rafts for exploring the coastline. Playing with up to 3 friends can significantly enhance your chances of survival, allowing you to divide tasks, build larger bases, and face the island's challenges together, making the experience more manageable and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.